How to remove the engine splash shield. While working under the vehicle, using a Phillips head screwdriver, rotate the engine splash shield fasteners 90 degrees, then remove the splash shield itself. The fasteners are indicated by the green arrows. The front end reinforcement tubular brace or reinforcement plate can be removed once the splash shield is out of the way. How to remove the reinforcement plate. While working under the vehicle, remove the four 16mm fasteners, then remove the tubular brace from the vehicle, as indicated by the green arrows. Remember to discard the old fasteners. They must be replaced. Also, if equipped, remove the four rubber plugs from the reinforcement plate, as indicated by the green arrows. Next, remove the 8 16mm fasteners and remove the reinforcement plate from the vehicle. Green arrows. Remember to discard the old fasteners. They must be replaced. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.